this is all about the window. Now let's go to the next slide. Now today we are going to learn about inserting text, inserting blank line, inserting a blank page, selecting text, deleting text, copying and moving text, or correcting spelling error and undo and redo. These all are the topics given in your book. So one by one we are going to learn about in this video. So let's go to the next one. Now this you can see inserting the text. Okay, so here video getting started, you may see how to insert a video. Now here if there is a word written, there are many famous landmarks, some of them are okay. So you can add text here. If you want to add text, click okay, and after clicking you can type. So you must have to place the cursor by clicking. Okay, you have clicked means your cursor is placed here, so you can now you can type. Okay, so I am typing in our country. Okay, there are many famous landmark in our country, some of them are. So here in this video I have clicked and add the word or inserting text in the middle. Okay, now you can add. Now let's I think this much is clear, this one is clear to everyone. Now let's go to the another one. This is how insert a blank line. To insert a blank line, you are seeing that there was no gap between this, but by pressing enter key, we have to keep our cursor here and press the enter key. As we press the enter key, we get the new line. Okay, we get the new line. Enter key, where we get enter key in the key bar. So what we have to do, we have typed two line, and if we want to space between the line, or if we want to go to the new line, we have to click after the line, after the text, and we have to press enter key from the keyboard. Okay, what we have to do, we have to press enter key to the keyboard. As I am pressing, you can see. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Next is inserting a blank page. How to insert a blank page? As you can see here, I have only one page. Okay, now it has converted into two page. How? To go to insert and page break. Okay, with the help of insert and page break, these two option, we were in home tab, then we go to the insert and click on blank page. Okay, so in the different way, in this view you can see the first page and the second page. This is the first page and this is the second page. So we are having two page, and earlier we had only one page. Okay, so how we have converted the page from insert and blank page. Okay, so here we are at the first page, so it is saying one of two, means two pages are there. We were at the first page, and when we come to the second page, it will show two of two, means we are at the second page of the page. Now let's go to the next one, selecting text. How to select a text? Okay, there are some of the shortcuts that help to select the text. Press thrice time left mouse button to select a paragraph, means you have to come between the paragraph or before the paragraph. You have to do 3 time click, left click 3 time. Okay, as we do 3 time click, you collect your paragraph will be selected. Now to select a word, single word, means there or are or many or famous, any of the word from the sentence, what you have to do, you have to do double click. Okay, go to the word and do double click. Okay, now next is click in front of line to select the particular line. If you want to select a particular line, you have to come before the line and your cursor will convert into this icon. You can see arrow icon, and as you click, when your cursor appear in arrow line, as you click, your line will be selected. Now let's go to the next one. Now here it is deleting text. Okay, how to delete the text? Now to delete the text, wait, just wait. Selecting is over. Okay, now deleting text. How to delete a text? To delete a letter, use backspace. Okay, means if you have cursor somewhere and if you want to remove the this part, this side part, then you have to use backspace. If you want to delete this side, then you have to use back delete button. Okay, so here I have kept the cursor. See, as I doing backspace, so this part is deleted. Okay, and as I did delete, this part is deleted. Okay, now to delete a word, press control backspace key or control delete key. Okay, if you want to delete a word, then you have to press control and what, control and delete. Okay, so as you do control and delete, the word will, complete word will delete. Okay, now deleting text is over. Next is copying and moving the text. How to copy and move the text? Here I have written I am in class 4th and this is my computer period. Okay, so for copying, select the text, use copy and paste. Okay, to select the text, keep your mouse pointer like this and click to select it. Okay, let's click to select it. Okay, now here in home there is a group key clipboard. This clipboard will help you to copy and paste all. Okay, so here we are going to do copy, so we will click on copy. Okay, now wherever we want to paste, we have to click and put the cursor. So we have clicked here to put the cursor here. Okay, so our cursor here, now I will paste. So wherever my cursor will be, the text